Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing a unboxing and a giveaway of certain things that I chose for you guys in here. Ow! I just got bit. Of my winter FabFitFun box. I love winter. Well, I don't love winter. That's a lie. I just started this video with a lie. I love like Christmas. I love the winter theme. You know what I mean? Making gingerbread houses, drinking gingerbread houses. I drink houses. Just like everything with it, I love the month of giving. I feel like everything's jolly and joyous. So that is why I'm excited about the winter. Look at how pretty also. Like this is gorgeous. FabFitFun box. Now, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, I do unboxings of them a lot. They are a seasonal subscription website with lifestyle, beauty, fitness items. They have amazing things, quality products, full-size products. I love them so much. I also have a coupon discount code for you guys, which is right here, and it's also down below if you don't remember it. So thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it, and for letting the cuties know what is out there and that's good for subscription websites and boxes. So thank you. So there are jam-packed with over $200 worth of stuff for only $49.99, but if you use my coupon, you can get it for $39.99. So I don't know why the cat's back on here. Let's open this up and see what we got. You can customize your box also. So if I show you guys these and you're like, oh, I'm not really feeling it, you can customize it to whatever you like. They have really good products that I use. I genuinely like them. I've went through a lot of subscription box websites before and I'm just like not really feeling a lot of them and I haven't repurchased them. And also this ships to Canada, US, and the UK. How do I open this? Why is it so big? Okay, what? Oh, that's so pretty. Like, Shugsy's so excited to look inside. Let's see what's in here. Also, you guys might be like, too much plastic paper or whatever. I don't know. No. They use 100% recycled craft boxes and paper to reduce their carbon footprint on the earth, and they save so many trees. So I really like this. It's an all-around good company, and I really enjoy them. So I am so excited to see what it is. So this is the first item. It's a cat tube. See if he likes it. Come on, FabFitFun, make it good. Oh, see? Get in there. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. This is a sponsored video. Wow! It's fun for the whole family, isn't it? Okay, first of all, we got some coupons for HelloFresh, which I've heard a lot of good things about this. I don't know if I would ever do it. Oh my god, this is like packed full of good products. You also get their little magazine here, which share little stories. Sometimes I've seen recipes in there, makeup tips and tricks, and then you get to see your products in here and how much they are. So if you want to repurchase them on their own, you can go ahead and do so. So anyway, let's get in here and see what we have in store. Oh my god, a FabFitFun sticker. Stop. I'm gonna put this on my laptop. I love big stickers and putting them all over my laptop, and I love how it's like sparkly and winter-like, so I'm gonna set that off to the side there. Okay, so the first thing in here is something that I was most excited for. This is Kate Spade. Kate Spade already. Like, I love Kate Spade and it's designer. I always love Kate Spade's jewelry items, her purses, everything, but I've never actually owned, I don't think, anything from Kate Spade. And you get a little dust bag here. It comes like this, Kate Spade, beautiful, so you can take it to go or just safely store it. And then they come bubble wrapped, and look at these earrings. These are so beautiful. I love like my little stud earrings, so this works perfectly for me. Here what they look like. So there's little pearls here, and then these ones, and they say right on them, US dollars are $68 for these, and the Canadian price is $78 because I'm Canadian, so I'm gonna go with Canadian prices. So with tax and everything, if I would buy these in the store, they'd probably be running me almost $100 for these. But this box, $39.99 with my code, I still got so much more in here. And you can customize it. I can't stress enough, like literally, when you open a subscription box, you're like, oh, I'll never use that, I'll never use that. Oh, a lotion, I'll never use that, or whatever you would use or not use, you can customize it. So this is what I like. I really like these. You guys are gonna see me wearing these. Kate Spade. Next, I am so excited for these mugs here. These are Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs. I've heard lots about Lily Pulitzer. I feel so like high-end and bouge right now because I feel like also, if you guys sign up, you could use all of these and customize it for Christmas presents if you're a cheapo like me. You could choose something, one thing for everyone. You're like, I'm gonna spend $39.99 on everyone's Christmas present. Kate Spade! Your mom's like crying, like, oh, so happy. Thinking. Link is down below. I cannot wait to see what these look like. Lily Pulitzer is very like colorful and like deco, I would say. Me smashing these. Ah! So here are the mugs. They look like this. These are stunning. So these are gonna be so cute when I just cuddle up with a really nice book and have hot chocolate or hot cocoa with some marshmallows in them. XX Lily. They're so beautiful. Like, look at these. Gorgeous. And then the handles here have like a rose gold pizzazz. So I feel like I always say this with FabFitFun, but I feel like it's really important to let you guys know that they support charities, female empowerment. They give back to female entrepreneurs, especially where we are right now in this world and this climate that we're in. It's just really important, especially for me and for businesses to give back, especially to nonprofit organizations. So I just feel like it's a really good company to let you guys know about, and I wouldn't share something unless I was really passionate about it. And then brands that we actually know and love, like Lily Pulitzer, Kate Spade, we're gonna show more, and just quality products, not just like throwing things together and just making the money, right? Oh, there's another little coupon in here, and this is for Bright Sellers, $45 credit. Okay, so this I picked out for you guys for a little giveaway. I thought, you know, headbands and everything like this are so trendy right now, the velvetness, and this is so cute. So you guys can keep this for yourself, or if you're a guy watching this and want to pick it up, enter this giveaway and give it to your girl. Or if you know somebody who would like this, or if you just want it, you can go ahead and enter my giveaway that I'm holding. So all you're gonna do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel. You have to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel to enter this giveaway. And this picture right here, you're gonna leave any comment you guys like and you'll be automatically entered. If you are below the age of 18, make sure you have your parents' permission, and I will DM the winner and post your username onto my story on Instagram when the giveaway is over, and I will go from now until 1 week from now, so you have a week to enter this giveaway for this. Lily Sadohi, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but it is a beautiful headband. I'm just gonna open it up and share it with you guys here. Velvet headband that looks like this. It is so beautiful in there. The quality of this is really nice. It's not one of those like cheap, like flimsy one. Classy going out look, or just even a casual look. You could dress this up with like just like a t-shirt and jeans. So pretty. I love the knot design there. I hate the feeling of velvet, but it is so pretty to look at. Next we have a liquid eyeliner. I've been on the hunt to find a new liquid liner because the one I always used was so expensive. So I want to branch out and try different ones. Let's open it up here. Oh, cruelty-free, gluten-free, 6-month shelf life. This is black liquid liner, as I keep saying. The tip of it is just so important to me, to make that perfect like cat eye. Oh, good. I hate the ones that are so like flimsy. You know, like the brush ones. I can't. Like, I feel like I can't get a precision because it's like falling all over the place and the bristles are going everywhere. This is a hard tip one, and it looks really, really black. So we are pleasantly surprised about this. So let's go ahead and try this out. I can already tell I'm really gonna like this. A little, ooh, and it can go thinner. Oh, so you can make, obviously my lines are not cute, but it is nice and black. You can make thin or thick lines, and I can tell that it's just gonna be like precision. Dries pretty quick too. Good way to try different brands of makeup too, and just like click like, hey, let's try that new liner. You never know what you're gonna like. Okay, I have to go with this next. I'm so excited for this. This, cutting boards! No, but you might not be excited for cutting boards, but I'm excited for cutting boards, girl. Cutting boards! I need to open this up and show you guys. So this is by Ipar or Ipare. I'm not French. BPA free, dishwasher safe. The wooden cutting boards, if you're cutting like fish or, you know, chicken or something, the bacteria can seep in, me being like a chef and a scientist at the same time, seep into the cutting board, and you can't fully wash out. So even if you wash it and scrub it, you can't fully get out all of the bacteria, so it can be just unsafe and it can grow mold and grossness. I watched a whole documentary on it. It's disgusting. Yeah, I watched a whole documentary on that. Like, my life is so interesting. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, because these are non-absorbent and they're colorful and they're like thin, lightweight, revolutionary. So here they are. Here are the different colors. On the bottom right here, there's little shrimp meat. So this is for like seafood. So you could cut shrimps, seafoods, and the bottom of them are grippy. So they'll stay on your counter while you're cutting, and they are big. And they don't have lips in them where when you're like sliding off the things, they all fall in the crease. And then we have this one here that has a little radish. That could be a beet also. And this is for vegetables. And then this one here has a little turkey. So it's for like chicken, poultry. And then this one here is for meat, red meat, seafood, vegetables, poultry, and red meat. I really like these. I think this is such a good idea to separate them. So this is probably the thing I'm most excited for, let's be honest. Okay, next I got this right here, and this is a daily facial dry brush. It's for radiant looking skin because I need to keep this mug looking bright and fresh. In the wintertime, I get such dry skin. My throat did something weird. I was like, ah. Such dry skin. So this is going to be perfect to polish the skin, to get off the dry, dead skin cells. And I've been doing a lot of face masks too. So it's just a way to, like, you know, just brighten everything up. So let's take a look. It's by Daily Concepts. Oh my God, a dry brush. This is so weird because usually I would wet, you know, my face. So it's gonna be so weird to use this as a, oh my God, it's so cute. I can like hang it up like this. Oh, it feels actually very soft. I was like, when I was looking at the picture, I'm like, picture me being like, ow, ow, with like straw or something. No, this feels so soft. I love this little thing. It's like so cute. You can hang it anywhere. It's very, very soft, and it's gonna be very nice to just after I cleanse my skin. So I'm gonna wash my face, get all my makeup off, put on my cleanser, and then wash my face again, pat it dry, and then just, I love this. I love this idea. I've never used anything like this. So interesting to try. Okay, the next thing in here is this little guy right here, which I've been liking smaller purses. My cards, I just throw in a pouch and it's so annoying. But just right now, what I'm liking is just little purses. So this is a good way to separate my cards. Yay! And then there's a little pouch at the back for coins. Pretty imitation like snake skin there. And this is by Below the Belt. Below the Belt. Below. I like this. It's like a little classy. I can just take it out instead of me, like, because when I'm trying to find my card, I'm literally like in this pocket, like finding like this, and you can just organize them in here, and it just will make it so much better. And it's pretty. Thank you, FabFitFun, for always keeping me stylish. And the very last thing we have in here is this little guy right here. And this is a hydration mask. Now, winter time, like I was saying with this little brush right here, I need to get moisture in my skin, and I've been using a lot of masks. So this one in particular is Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. When you're ready to rest, apply the mask to your face, neck, and back of hands. It'll absorb while you sleep and relax. No need to rinse it off, just massage into your skin. So like while you're on an airplane, you can use this, or while you sleep, you can use it. All skin types with just a boost of hydration. Just sit back and relax and feel refreshed. This is so cool. I love this. Let's open it up and see what it looks like, what we've got working with in here. Oh, it's pretty on the inside. Ew. Pleasantly surprised opening this up. It is reusable, so you don't have to use it all at once. You know, it's not like a one-time use. You rip open a packet. I need to look at this and have some relaxing times. Ooh, yummy. Okay, it smells like very floral. Put it at the back of my hands. Let's see here. Ooh, yeah, okay. Oh, it feels like cooling. Oh my goodness, I am very excited to just, oh, and you know what that smell reminds me of? Like lavender, like calming lavender to help you relax. That's really, really nice. Okay, girl. So that's that. And that was everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, don't forget to, link is down below. Coupon codes are down below to get $10 off of your first box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for FabFitFun for sponsoring this video once again. Thank you so much. I will talk to you guys all in my next one. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.